this oil cap, twist it off, take it off. Just grab this cover, slide it up, and then slide it to the front of the vehicle. Grab this insulation right here and just slide it out. It is slotted. Now there's a connector right here that goes to the high pressure fuel pump. Disconnect that. There's a button on the bottom side. Push on that button and slide it out. And disconnect this tube. There's a little lever on the side of it. You just push that lever and slide it off. And disconnect the bottom hose. Just push on this lever right here. You might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. Pull it off. On this side right here, there's a wire tie that holds these vacuum lines to the valve cover. You can get in there with a trim tool and try to pry them up. And if you struggle with this, you can actually just cut it and then replace it. All right, now all the coils are accessible. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver or a pick and get underneath. There's a little lock on this connector. Push that lock up, and then you can push down on the tab on the connector. Slide the connector out. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Remove this bolt. Pull that bolt out. I can grab the coil, just twist it back and forth a little bit, and slide it out. So I'm going to install these TRQ Performance ignition coils. If you don't have any silicone dielectric grease, there is already some in there. And take the coil and slide it in position. Take the bolt, get the bolt started. And we can take a torque wrench and tighten these bolts to 62 inch-pounds. Connect the connector and push down on the lock. And we can do the same with the other ones. These TRQ Performance ignition coils have enhanced windings and higher voltage output. That's going to give you a better throttle response, up to 15% more energy, and optimized fuel mileage. I have a new wire tie that has the push pin attachment. So I'm going to resecure these vacuum lines. Get this started first. And just tighten that up. Reposition this hose. Slide it over there and slide it on the valve cover as well. Once it's in position, lock it in place. This connector right here goes to the high pressure fuel pump. Lock that in place. This insulation cover is going to go over that fuel pump. Just like that. Take this engine cover and slide it on in the back. Make sure this hose is out of the way. And line this up. They're lined up, and then just push it down. Take the oil cap. Reinstall the oil cap, lock it down.